Mango trees produce flowers in alternate years, but the spray can produce flowers annually. Also, the spray will induce more flowers on the tree. You will need potassium nitrate powder, sprayer, protective gloves and eyewear, and a ladder for tall trees. Spray on a cloudy day or in evening. Spray before flowering. Do not spray in sun, leaves may burn or when raining or may rain within 6 hours of spray. Also do not spray on young trees or on new growth or when tree is flowering. Make 2 to 3% spray solution. Mix about 6.5 tablespoons of potassium nitrate and 1 milliliter of liquid soap in 5 liter of water to make 2.5% solution. Spray on 4 to 9 months old branches. Spray on both sides of the leaves, trunk and all the branches. Coat each area well. Spray the uppermost branches first and then spray down. Use a ladder to spray on tall trees. Flower buds should appear after 10 days to 2 weeks. Don't respray on the tree if it doesn't produce buds, that means the tree is not ready to flower.